Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about mixed fractions. In previous video we already learned about mixed fractions. We learned that mixed fractions are combinations of a whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or like all the counting numbers and all the natural numbers, and with a proper fraction. We also learned about proper fraction in last video. If you don't know what is a proper fraction, please watch my previous video. So okay, moving forward, here are some examples of mixed fractions. Like okay, like when you imagine you had a test and you got 9.5 out of 10. Okay, 9.5 out of 10. So this 9.5 is an example of mixed fraction. We have a whole number and then we have two parts, like it's a combination of a whole number and an proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So 9 1 by 2. This is an example of mixed fraction. So in today's video, we are going to learn more about mixed fraction. So here we have a collection of 8 boxes. Do okay. Here we have this box, this rectangle or this rectangle, and it's a whole rectangle, like one whole rectangle. Okay, one whole rectangle. We are going to divide it into 8 equal parts. I know they don't seem like they are equal, but please imagine that they are equal. So we are going to divide. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now okay, and then we have another rectangle, and we have divided it into 8 equal parts. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm like, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so now we take all these, like all these parts. So we take this rectangle as a whole, like we are doing something and we just take this rectangle as a whole. So we are gonna, if we obviously it's 1 because we have taken our rectangle as a whole. Now I'm gonna take only these two. I'm gonna shade them. I'm gonna take only these two parts of the, like these two equal parts of the rectangle from 8 parts. So it is going to be 8 by how much? 8 by, okay, like, okay, 8 by 8 by 2. 8, sorry, 2 by 8, because we are talking about 2 by 8. Okay, so अब हमने 2 by 8 किया. सो हमारा जो टोटल है, हमने कितना लिया? हमने हमारा जो हुआ वो हुआ 1/2/8, 1/2/8। ओके, और अगर हम इसे एक और तरीके से देख सकते हैं, 1/2/8। अगर हम इसमें से हम इसमें से 8 और 8 लें, मतलब हम लोग इस जो हमने मतलब हम एक मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में भी लिख सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी हमारे पास ये बॉक्सेस थे। ओके, so like again I'll have to draw those boxes, like you have these 8 boxes, 1 2 3, they're like equal 3. I'm so sorry for, okay, like these are like divided, these are, okay, here we have, okay, these boxes here we have both of these rectangles are divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, 8 equal parts, 8 equal parts. So the total number of equal parts is going to be 8 in both of the rectangles. It doesn't matter, like we have two rectangles or 3 rectangles, but if the if we have equal parts, the number of parts is equal, like 8 parts and 8 parts, then we are going to take 8 as a denominator, because both of these triangles are divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, and then for if we take like all the parts of this rectangle, then okay, and 3 parts of this rectangle, then we are going to have like how then our numerator will become 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, our numerator will become 8 plus 3. Like 8/8 plus 3/8. We have same denominator 8. So here we have 8, and then 8 plus 3 is equals to 8 plus 3 is equals to 11/8. So a mixed fraction can also be written as an improper fraction in a form of an improper fraction. Like here we have total number of equal boxes 8. How many boxes we have taken? 8. And here we have total number of boxes 8. How many boxes we have taken? 3. So total number of boxes we have taken will be 8/8 plus 3/8 is equal, it is going to be like, now we have similar number of our denominator is same, so here our denominator will become 8, and 8 plus 3 will become 11, so 11/8. So we can also write mixed fraction in a form of an improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. So what about this improper fraction and how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, and how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. We are going to learn about this in our next video. Thank you so much for your time.